Welcome to the J5 July monthly update. It's July, right?
It is.
Hope everyone had a good 4th of July. Enjoying the heat. I know we are. We're gonna walk around the shop. A few highlights to this month. Falcon's in its final push, getting ready to run. Brian might have the sheet metal done on the GTO this week. Only time will tell. And Jimmy B finished painting the twin turbo C10, so we're going to walk around those projects, and there's a couple others. So thanks for joining us today. Here's the twin turbo V6 C10. Get some custom sheet metal on the hood. A lot of body work. The brown and gold is loose metallic. We've talked about it in our previous videos. The truck looks pretty cool. It's different. Having the accent color be the main color and the accent color be the darker color is pretty unique to this truck.
You look like it. This is pretty cool.
Yeah. Tom's 61 Falcon gasser is at one of my favorite stages, brake line. I really like doing this. I have a really big, I wouldn't call it a problem. I'm passionate about one-piece brake line. I don't put any unions in them. Unions leak. So I'm here doing one-piece brake line. We're gonna go underneath the car and see a one-piece brake line going from the master cylinder all the way to the rear end. Come on. Okay. And if you've ever been underneath a 61 Falcon, they're not really straight. Then you can go ahead and look up there, and I do a coil up there for my hard line. Okay. Steering's all set up, ready to go. Shout out to Pontiac. This is my best work right here, just watching for like. Okay, is that parking lights? Okay. Yeah.
Are you ready for a break?
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Brake action.
Oh man. Oh.
Brake action.
Oh.
Get a problem with that flash.
Alright. Alright, there's a flasher in it? Let's see. Oh, there we go. And it's slow flash. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, look at that.
Nice.
Man, the wiring guy knows what he's doing. Man, that's nice. Man, that's nice. That's a nice looking dashboard. Right now it's just incandescent bulbs. We're gonna convert everything to LED. Haven't talked Falcon Tom into LED headlights yet, but I will. So this is the 1955 Handyman chassis that we're retrofitting. It is original to the 55 Handyman. Doing a triangulated 4-link in the back. Seen a video of me putting those parts together. We're gonna probably send this out to powder coat next week and hopefully have a rolling chassis here pretty quick. Making the upper link bars for the triangulated 4-link from the 1955 Handyman. Make all of our 4-link bars in-house. link. Gotta make some tapered spacers here. I made some tapered spacers in the bottom. All the parts minus the Heim joints are made in-house. Keeps quality control of the stuff. Here's the LT5 Firebird. It's looking mighty low on the ground, especially next to normal stock ride C10. Got the nose skeleton made up, mounted in, so the nose is rigid, and got to do some fiberglass work to get the hood and nose the meet, but it's really close. Sheet metal's almost done. Look forward to putting a bunch of little odd ends under the hood. Hopefully fire it up in the next 2 months. So what we're doing here is fiberglass nose tends to be a little flimsy without a skeleton. So I started tacking up the skeleton, fixing the body line. The hood is a little more, got a defined body line than the nose, so we're gonna have to do some fiberglass work here. Kind of like making a boat. We got the rear end put in Nova Tom's Nova. We have a lot of Toms here. So there's Felton Tom, Nova Tom. I'm sure there's another Tom. This is a Church Boy Racing rear end that Nova Tom went and picked up. We put a narrow strange rear end in it. It's got a cool little sway bar. Pretty cool little setup. Giving it back to Tom, and he's gonna get it running for the car show, I think. So this actually happened before the video monthly update started happening. Brian did a mini tub in this that looks very OEM. So Brian's all done with the sheet metal. Jimmy painted the firewall. We have a little touch up to do to the blue. He's taping it off now on the lift to undercoat the bottom side, and we're actually going to bed line the floor of it and the trunk. Access sound decking, so and it looks cool. Thanks for joining us for the July monthly update here at GFI Speedshop. We appreciate all of our followers. If you haven't followed us yet, hit that like or subscribe button, whether it be Facebook or YouTube or Instagram or whatever. And look forward to seeing you at our open house / car show come October 9th.